Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to put Assistive Touch button on iPhone screen. Firstly, go to Settings, then scroll down to Accessibility. Tap on that. Then below Physical and Motor, you may find Touch. Tap on Touch. Then at the very top, you may see Assistive Touch. Then tap on that. Tap on the button next to Assistive Touch. This helps to activate this feature, which can be seen on your screen as a circle icon. You can move this icon anywhere according to your comfort. Furthermore, you may add custom actions like single tap, double tap, and long press. This allows you to interact directly with Assistive Touch icon without opening the menu. You may also choose the percentage of opacity you would prefer by tapping on idle opacity and increasing or decreasing the opacity percentage according to your liking. You may go back from settings and open other apps to see if this feature works or not. Here I have opened the Messenger app, and you can see the circle icon is there, which means the Assistive Touch feature is working. This is how you can easily put Assistive Touch button on iPhone screen. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.